What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Naturally Dessa, here with another tutorial. Coming back tutorial, how about that? How does that sound? I think today I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna do a natural look. Something very natural. I might add some like freckles in there or something, you know, because I love freckles. Freckles to me are like so pretty. But anyway, I'm gonna keep it natural. I'm not wearing a wig today either, so y'all gonna see my natural curly hair, but not like this. I'm gonna get it together. But right now it's just pushed back, okay? And yes, I'm growing my hair back, okay? I don't know, I miss my hair. But at the same time, I'm gonna cut this shit the fuck off. Without further ado, y'all, let's hop into this video. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I am finished. I just added some gloss and I was ready to go. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's pretty cool being back doing this. I feel like accomplished right now. I know we're going through this pandemic or whatnot right now, and people are scared, people don't know what to do, like people are panicking, and I understand that. I completely understand that. Like, I work in the healthcare field, so I'm like gonna be with it like all the time, every time I work. So I get where you guys are coming from. I just, during this time, kind of just want to be like an encouragement for people. So it's like doing these videos, I feel like kind of takes a lot of stress and pressure off of me with things that are going on. It takes my mind away from everything. So I'm hoping that these videos that I do can provide that also for some people. And you know, sometimes like I'll just be talking throughout the video, just to be talking, like not even explaining what's going on in my face, what I'm doing in my face, I'm sorry. But just really, I really kind of want to incorporate on this channel now. I want to incorporate my creative side and also my spiritual side. So I may incorporate me doing tarot sometimes on here. It depends. Or talking about astrology. Also, I'm starting to get into herbs more. So one of my coworkers, her dad is actually a herbalist, and like I'm like, you know what, hit me up, you know, with some information, because I just feel like natural medicine is the way to go, especially with everything that's going on. Natural medicine is the way to go. So yeah, I just want to incorporate those things on my channel, you know, not just keep it about makeup, because I feel like that's just like what everybody's doing, but I just want to be a beaming light. I want to give y'all my Sag energy, Sagittarius, optimistic. I want to give that to y'all during this time. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, my first video back. Be on the lookout for more videos. I thank you guys for tuning in and watching it. If you watched the whole thing, congratulations. I love you. Thank you so much. Until then, you guys stay blessed. Ashe.